name is Puapii. I'm the beach hut manager. I'm from Manihiki, Rarotonga, and I've been working here for 3 years. So when I first started here, my role was a beach hut attendant. Not long after that, I moved up as a GSA. That was awesome. I moved back down to the beach hut as a supervisor. Now I'm managing it. It's been pretty awesome. Got an awesome crew. Big ups to them. High five to you. Why do I come back to work every day? What's the highlight? I like meeting new people. It's been pretty awesome. Not only that, because my team's awesome. They listen sometimes. I like to get everybody involved and all that. But yeah, main highlight is meeting new faces every day. Thank you to my team. High five to you. So for me, it's going above and beyond guest expectations, reaching out there and trying to improve. It's good. I enjoy doing it, and I enjoy them enjoying our culture, you know. And that's the kind of people we are, which is we're so loving, so caring, and just we're always out there to help everyone fix it. How do I keep my staff happy? Motivate them, bondings. I reckon it's good for them, just so they can all connect with each other. Just being out there with them, helping them whenever they need it. So that's it from me. But if you're ever down at Pacific Resort, come and see me and the boys and the girl down at Beach Hut. We're looking forward to having you guys around.